Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will tell you about how to check CPU usage on a Mac. Step 1. First up, we need to open Activity Monitor. There are a couple of ways to do this. You can click the magnifying glass icon in the top right to open a spotlight, then type Activity Monitor and hit enter. Open the app or open Launchpad, click Other and then click Activity Monitor. The app title resembles a heartbeat and the app tile resembles a heartbeat monitor. Step 2. Now select CPU on the top bar and view your CPU usage at the bottom in the left hand box. You see the percentage breakdown of used system and red shows the CPU usage of the iOS performing core tasks. Using in blue shows the usage that you are causing by running apps, for example, and idle shows the percentage of CPU capacity that is currently free in the middle box. You see a graph of CPU load over time in your current session with red and blue corresponding to system and user as in the left box. Hope this guide will help you. Please leave a like and subscribe this channel for more videos and guides like this. Thank you so much.